I have to speak in English to be more international.
You want to be international?
Oh, of course I want to be international. Welcome to Guatemala.
Welcome to what?
To quiz.
Welcome to good.
quiz.
Welcome to good.
You will never know.
Let's go around.
Okay, let's go around. Look at our company.
Let's block the sun.
Yeah. We have found two mermaids on the middle of the Atlantic. Vocês pelo bem seguem os meus pelos por nas costas.
What's good always ends, and today we're gonna try something different. Last time we did it in 2 days. Today we're gonna put a little bit extra, and we're gonna do it in 1 day. So it's gonna be a pure iron butt. Let's see how it goes. But before going, we first need to take the boat to the mainland, get the bikes, fuel up, lube our chains, and then we're off.
They did it, not me. I just don't say anything. Hello. No, but the other guy. Middle finger is stupid. What is that? The guys. There's 2 guys. I did that. You didn't see? Yeah, one of mine.
So we are doing N2, National Road number 2, which is a Portuguese attempt of making Route 66. I've never done Route 66, but this one is quite beautiful. And we're stopping to eat a little bit, rehydrate, and fruitate, and then we're gonna carry on. Ugh, babies eat this. That's why they cry all the time. This is awful. Update, we are in Torrão, whatever that is, and it's 40 degrees plus. It's even breathing is tough, I would say. No? Yeah, she agrees. She's driving beautifully. She's going in and off the turns like woo, super Valentino Rossi style. Great. But it's just endless streets in Alentejo, not a lot to show, not a lot to say. I don't think this is gonna be a great episode, but we still have a few more hours of journey ahead. We're gonna stop in my hometown to meet my mom, and then we're gonna head back to Lisboa. But for now, this is it, and we're gonna go back on the road. So suit up, let's go. We got here. It's 40 degrees right now, which actually feels cold compared to what we've been getting all throughout the day. We've been driving for around 8 hours. It's not about the distance, it really is the hours on the bike, because the little keyway, I am quite amazed it hasn't broken down yet, but it doesn't go fast. So it took us 8 hours to do around 350 kilometers. We still have another 100 to go today, but we are here, my hometown. Gonna just say a quick hello to my mom, and then we're gonna be on our merry way back. But for now, we're tired, our butts hurt, our back hurts. We are seriously dehydrated because it's hot. Seriously, seriously hot. I'm gonna drink some more. We'll talk later. It's my mom over there taking pictures of us. So last 70-80 kilometers we're beat. We're tired. She's laughing, which isn't helping making this go faster. And yeah, let's go.
Thing is, I wouldn't advise the little keyway to anyone. Never buy this bike. But I need to say that I'm amazed, because it was riding today at what, 9,000 RPM pretty much all day. And see for yourself, it does 10 before the red line. So 9 wasn't good. And it was 43 degrees for a large majority of the day. And it didn't stop, so it would shut down, it would stop working, but it didn't stop. And the thing is, little Charlotte, with zero experience, first trip outside of the city with this busted little thing. Look at this chicken stripes, look at this. I've seen grown men with years of experience and expensive bikes that wouldn't do that. She, brilliant rider. As for us, we're gonna take the things off the bikes, take a shower, and tomorrow I'll look at them, see how they are. Although I think, well, this one we're gonna give it back, but Bia worked beautifully. I'm just gonna do the check after everything. If you're not yet subscribed, do consider subscribing. Link down below. Let me know what you think of this first trip, of Charlotte's first trip outside of the city, because I'm super proud, and I'll talk to you guys next week.